Hello YouTube, this is Dal from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. Late video, but this is a Dollar Tree haul nonetheless. So I did pick me up 2 more of these books. I'm going to use one for work and one for my grandson. I did pick this up also for myself just because I cannot draw animals too well. So I think I didn't have that one, so I picked that one up. More mechanical pencils. I use these in my Bible sketch notes book. And then picked up some of these goodie bags, these retreat sacks. I got that style, that one. And that one, always great for little goodie bags when you want to send something out. So I already decorated. Picked up some more of these beads. I have tons of these, but I don't think I had the ones with these like magenta colors in them. For some reason, the magenta ones don't look for me, but I may have them. Some straws. These track funnels. Sorry about the noise, but you have 3 different sizes in here. Sorry about that. But, you know, these you can use with your glitters, you know, not a very, you know, too skinny, but you can still use some sequins, maybe, depending on the size of the sequins or glitter, and you want to make some mixes. So I thought that was a good deal, $3-4, you know. I did pick up this as well. I'm not quite sure what the mixing set is for, other than I guess you can put some sequins and stuff in. It doesn't say, like, if it's specific for anything. But, oh, that's weird. So, yeah, I'm not quite sure. This feels like so, like, but it's got like a little spoon here on the end. Okay. It just feels weird, so I don't know. But it says mixing tool set, so let's see what I mix with that. And so I got these because, again, I wasn't sure if I had the magenta set. I know I had the green and yellow. I can't also remember about the red and blue, but anyway, so I got them because I couldn't remember. I know MsLittleScrappy Lisa had these, and I saw these. I was like, what? Some more water brushes, which I have plenty, but it doesn't hurt to have some more. The nibs run out or they leak, or somebody else is over. You need to share tools. So, yeah. So I thought I picked that up. Picked up some more little mix package of the hearts and the stars. Some more of the jump rings. And some lobster claws. And some protective wrap. So that is my haul. But then Little MsScrappy had also had texted us when they had came out with the watercolor books. Which, did I show you? Yeah, so she had got mine. And then I found them right after, and I picked up some extra ones just so I could have my stash to give away with the Dollar Tree collab. So I got 4 of the seasonal, and I have, it should be 4 of these, I think it's another one of these. But anyway, as little giveaways in my Dollar Tree collab. And then she turned around being so sweet. She was cleaning out and organizing her dies. She and I have been both, she just finished her die. She's on her stamp, so we've both been organizing some stuff. But she had came across this die. And, you know, she knows I've made some of those scallop box dies and stuff. Not scallop, but just the pop-up box dies. And so she gave that to me. So thank you, Lisa. That was so very nice of you. So I will put that to use because I do like making little pop-up dies. So, yes. And that's a Spellbinder's die. So, yep. So anyway, that's a little bit of haul. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.